Now the last question, all right, or last set of questions. Write out a multivariate model to test. So this is going to be very similar to before. Okay. But now we have math scores, and we want to add one more variable. Oops, not the whole thing, just whether the teacher has a master's degree. Okay, so let's come back to our data. Okay, so our data now is we don't want Z reading, but we want Z math to be our outcome. So let's capture Z math, bring that all the way in. Okay, I'm going to cut out Z reading. Just put that over here for right now. Cut out black, put that over here for now. But now I need to create a variable for if the teacher has a master's degree. Okay, so here we call this teacher MA, but they have a master's degree, which is equal to if the teacher's degree equals master's, give us a 1, if not, give us a 0. And there we go. We have that variable. So now all we have to do is come back to data analysis, regression. It's going to keep our last one there. So now we're not going to J, but we're going to go to L. Click OK. Oh, that's not good because cancel. There's nothing in E, so let's delete E. Okay. Now let's try. Oh, and we need to make sure we sort by math. So sort by Z math. Okay, and find out when that is no longer a number. Look at math scores are, so all you have to do is hit page down, math scores will go up. So we gotta go to 5872. So go to data analysis. Okay, not 5790, but 5872 to not K, L, but K, 5872. Click OK. And now we have our regression output for math scores. Okay, we're going to make these just a little more legible. There we go. Let's come over here to our table. Okay, there's our output. All right, so include dummy variable for teacher with master's degree, interpret the coefficient. So it looks like teacher with master's degree, the number's negative, but the t-stat is within our range. So therefore, coefficient is teacher or students with teachers with a master's degree score 0.03 standard deviations less than students with other teachers, controlling for class size, gender, race, and free lunch. But, I'm going to capitalize that, but this is not statistically different than 0. So what do we conclude? We conclude that teacher's terminal degree does not affect math scores. Oh, I did something bad. There we go. All right. And now what do you include the effect of small class sizes? Well, let's look at class sizes. Here, small class sizes 0.16, which is what we had before as well. So students in small class sizes do significantly better than students in regular class size by the amount of 0.16 standard deviations, controlling for race, gender, free lunch, and teacher's degree. Okay, and that's because, explain, because T-stat is big, i.e. bigger than 1.96. And now lastly, based on the article on your own calculations, what is the policy recommendation regarding class size? So students in smaller class sizes do better. Simply put. Okay, so this is the benefits. There's a good benefit to this, but we need to be caution. We don't know the costs. Sad story, so we're talking about significant reductions in class sizes. And so I don't remember the exact number from the article, but if we look at it, it was something to the effect, let's see if we can actually find that number. It was a significant reduction in class size. It wasn't just 1 or 2 students. It was going from, see this, it was going from like 20, from like near 30 to like 16. So it was a huge reduction in class size. And so the issue is, what happens if other schools try this? Okay, so the small class was 13 to 17 students. A regular class was 22 to 25. So this is a really large reduction, like almost 50% like reduction in students in a class. All right, so if you reduce that many students in a class, you need a lot more classrooms. They were prepared for this. The sad story is California took this study and tried to implement it. What they didn't realize is they would need a lot more classrooms, they would need a lot more schools, and a lot more teachers. And if you don't have the teachers, oftentimes you're going to be short on teachers, and therefore the new teachers you hire may not be those that are of the highest quality, but might be lower quality. So when California implemented this, this was a complete failure in terms of they didn't see the increase in scores. They saw a huge cost because their class reduction was not from 25 to 13, but was of just a few students. And so that's what we want to conclude from this. So I hope you enjoyed problem set 12.